Hey, my name is Chandler Young. I'm living here in Dallas, Texas. I discovered SkinKick about a year ago. I'm a person who's usually had oily skin. So when I started using SkinKick, the cleanser and the beaded feel, was just like everything for me, right? I love the cleansers. I love to get my skin clean. But the difference I felt with the SkinKick, right, it was really getting deep into my pores and stripping down some of that dirt back there. As I started to do my research, I started to learn that the dirt and your pores can actually clog it up to create oily skin. And so I learned that the cleansers I was using didn't do that for me. That's why the oily skin was producing so much of it. And so as I'm using SkinKick for about the first 2 to 4 weeks, I started to see that my skin was producing less oil. And especially when you applying that Glow Renewal Serum, that was keeping my skin nice and fresh and tight and kind of almost making me feel a little younger in the face. All my friends, my family, I got getting them to go in the stores to use the product. Now they are faithful users, especially here in the past 2 months, right? Everybody's been looking for some new skincare routine. Everybody's coming to like, what skincare do you use? I'm like, SkinKick, go get it. I say the SkinKick after about a year, it's done wonders for my face. As you can see, I'm looking more handsome by the day, so if you want to look like me, I advise you to go get SkinKick. My name is Chandler Young, and I SkinKick it.